We all know some of the best stuff comes out of Japan, whether it's technology, food, animation, or if you're like me, scale model kits. Brands such as Hasegawa, Aoshima, Fujimi, Bandai, and of course Tamiya are some of the best in the world. That's why I was so excited to work with today's sponsor, JP Fans. It would be fantastic to visit Japan, to hunt down those super rare items that it's just impossible to find around the world. But unfortunately, plane tickets just don't grow on trees. That's where JP Fans comes in. They're a proxy shipping service which you can use to access region-locked Japanese online stores such as Mercari, JDirect and Amazon Japan. Browse their website and add items to your basket. Purchases are then shipped to the JP Fans warehouse and checked for quality and condition. Then simply consolidate your purchases in one and have them shipped quickly to you all around the world. You'll receive $86 in coupons as well as a 50% Mercari product coupon when you register using my affiliate link in the description below. Thank you so much to JP Fans for sponsoring this video. There's also a shipping calculator on their website which really helps when consolidating your orders. So I really love building motorsport examples. Here's a rare kit now out of production, the Ferrari F189. I bought this on eBay for £35, which I thought was a pretty good deal, but let's see how much it would cost finding it on JP Fans. So here we are on JP Fans, let's see what we can find. So search Tamiya 1/20th. So there we are, Ferrari F189, Portuguese Grand Prix. Currently that is $28, that's just £20. Obviously you get a bit of a service charge on that, and this one's got free shipping, so you'd only have to pay the shipping at the end to take it to your country. It's just €23, really not very much, and then you'll be able to sort out your international delivery with other things at the end. So just like that, you can see £35 for this one, a newer version on JP Fans, just £20. Consolidated with other kits, you can get so much for a really, really great price. Have a look yourselves. We've got a Tyrrell there, it's quite rare. Here, look, there's this 1/12th Renault. So that's £46. Let's see what else we can find, something else rare. A lot of remote control car things here. Here, look, we've got McLaren. This is Senna McLaren, and as you can see, complete with decals, all the parts, unstarted, £27. This one's got free shipping as well. Find something else rare. Ah, look. There we are. Mika Häkkinen's championship winning McLaren MP413, £23. Free shipping again. So remember, with those, you just have to pay the shipping to get it to you around the world. Consolidate that with your other purchases. These are bargains. 312T, £12.35, and look, unstarted. Williams FW13, Williams FW07. Here, look, this Brabham. Look at that, £13, and again, unstarted. So this time on Mercari, I've just searched Tamiya 1/24th. Look, there we are, straight away, really rare kit there. Ford Sierra XR4i, £17. Free shipping, just 5% service charge. Unstarted, complete, still in all its plastic. Here, look. It's harder to get this R34 Skyline Calsonic kit in the UK, but yeah, here we are. £11.37. Again, free shipping, and look, completely unstarted. This is a newer one as well, so decals hopefully be okay. Look, there you are, you've got window masks in that too. And look, here's the Pennzoil version, £39. You look at on eBay in Europe, never going to find this. And it looked completely unstarted. Free shipping there, so you just pay for the shipping at the end to get it to the UK or wherever you are in the world. 3-car set here, all unstarted. Wow, you got Tamiya Celica, Hasegawa, 037, Subaru Legacy, £29. free shipping, just have to pay the shipping at the end. Here we are, Mazda 787B. Well, look, there's the Hasegawa 767B, £24. This one here, and again, unstarted, £42. You'll be looking at least double that if you found it in the UK. 1998 McLaren F1 GTR, £35. Aoshima, so really high quality. That's the Loctite one. Drove at Le Mans, amazing. Now, I like Star Wars, but it's very difficult to find the Bandai ones in the UK. But there, here we are. Look, TIE Advanced and TIE Fighter model there, £9.39, £98. But you're getting K2SO from Rogue One, Sand Troopers. You've got a Resistance X-Wing Fighter, Death Star 2, TIE Interceptor. I mean, that's 6 kits. So that's really good value. €114, $133 US. So still really good value. Let's see what else we got here. Unopened Bandai Millennium Falcon kit. Less than a tenner. There's the Mandalorian's N1 Starfighter. £25 for that one. Again, unstarted. Look, you can pick up Japanese Pokémon cards on here. This is Makari. Look at these. Little Pokémon plastic model kits. These are Bandai, so you know they're going to be quality. All fully coloured. You see? Look at that. £5. Really good value. Got loads of them there. Look, if I sort this price low to high, some that are already made, but look, that Pichu one there, £2.82. So thanks again so much to JP Fans for sponsoring me here. Remember to click the affiliate link down in the video description. I'll show you some of the things I did buy. My favourite car in the world, the Jaguar XJR9, managed to find the Tamiya version finally. Great buy there. I'm a big fan of Andor and Rogue One, so I couldn't resist this K2SO Bandai scale model, 1/12 scale as well, so pretty big there. Total bargain here, Calsonic Skyline GTR R34 from Tamiya for less than a tenner. Couldn't believe that. And finally, also couldn't resist this McLaren MP4 13, the car that won Mick Hakkinen his first ever world title. Can't wait to build that. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know down below what you would have bought from what you've seen today. Use the affiliate link and the code. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.